नाम रोहित है। एवरीथिंग इज ओके बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोफाउंड टॉक है गुरुजी का। एक कैंप भी हुआ था हमारा एवरीथिंग इज ओके टॉक के ऊपर, और ये जो मेडिटेशन है दिस इज द प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन एवरीथिंग इज ओके का। तो सारे पहलू लाइफ के कवर करता है और कैसे उन चीज़ों को स्वीकार करता है मुझे अपने जीवन के, उसकी याद दिलाता है। सो इट मेक्स फील वेरी वेरी कंप्लीट when I do this meditation, whenever I do this. I don't do this every day, but मैं जब भी करता हूँ then it gives a very accepting all the different areas of like parasleeping and reminding of that everything is okay talk भी मैंने मनोज जी ने बोला था, उसके बाद बहुत सारी बार सुना है and it's kind of gone very deep and I think it is one of the greatest gifts of Guruji. So thank you for this gift of application of that gift.
Jai Guruji, my name is Tejan and I have been doing this meditation for almost a year now. And now whenever I do this meditation, it brings me in samasthiti and I'm able to deal with situations more peacefully. And it's become so much into the system that when something happens, the meditation starts playing automatically in the mind and it reminds me that I need to release these emotions and then respond to whatever is the situation. So it's become that obvious in my system. This meditation has become the part of my daily routine. And whenever I do this meditation, when those sentences come, when I felt anger, when I felt irritation or jealous, so I'm able to connect those incidences come in my mind from the previous day or the same day. And if whatever I was not able to release in those situations, I'm able to at least release it during the meditation. And at the end of the meditation, I am able to accept myself and love myself. So every day, this is a very good way of releasing all my emotions, low emotions especially. And so thank you very much for this.
My name is Veni Boparu. I am a tow textile manufacturing unit. Whenever I come for the scope camp or जो भी tools या applications, तो मैं I see it both outwardly and inwardly also. Outwardly जैसे मनोज जी ने बताया कि what he told, like for example processing is very important. So outwardly processing करके since I am into textile, हम जितना अच्छा processing करते हैं, so it is processing itself is half woven. Means I have to remove the flaws, means I have to catch all those things and then process it. And when it is processed, there is something beautiful like Guruji ka photo jo hai, that is also processed work. But that we have to be processing on it to remove the flaws, and then that beautiful thing is happening and the fabric has been so beautifully organized. ये हो गया outward का, but inward I want to correlate the same. If I am, for example, if I am having wish for Chandu, I would be going away. Pele, abhi nahi, and processing on myself, how I am feeling, holding all those things, and then pass it on. So slowly, what's happening is the fabric of love. If the processing is good, the fabric of love is automatically woven. That is, I am experiencing nowadays since last maybe 1000 days. जिनके प्रति मेरा द्वेष था, they are coming into my life, loving me, following me, or either they are going away from me as per my vibration. That is all I want to correlate the outward and the inward. Thank you so much.